Hi guys, welcome back to Drawing Land for Kids. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a bento box. So let's go ahead and get started. So a Japanese bento box is traditionally a box eaten for lunch, and as you can see it consists of different compartments, and they can include some sashimi, which is raw fish, sushi, soybeans, and some dumplings and soy sauce maybe in there. So we're just going to be learning how to draw each of these, and then we're going to add some cute faces to them. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start by drawing the bento box first, and then we're going to add food inside. So on the bottom of your paper, I'm just using a Sharpie. You're going to start by drawing a line going straight down. And this is going to be our first compartment. And then we're going to go and draw a line and go all the way to the right. And then we're going to go back down. And so we're making a square shape. When you're ready, we're going to draw another section right over here. We're going to draw a straight line. And then we're going to go back up. And if this video is going fast for you, you can always pause and then continue at your own pace. I'm just drawing a straight line going across, and I'm making this line a little bit longer than this line down here. Now let's go back down. And then we're just going to use a curved line and connect it to this section. So now we have two sections. Let's go in and draw a curved line over here, but you want to stop where this line is at. And I'm just going to extend that a little bit more. This is going to be where our soy sauce is going to be. And then I'm just going to draw a line and connect the two areas. When you're ready, we're going to draw another section up here. So let's draw a line coming down, and you want to stop at this point. And then we're going to draw a line going this way. Stop there. Let's go back up and connect to the other side using another straight line. So you want to draw kind of like a rectangle shape. Now let's go down here and draw our next section in the box. So same thing, we're going to start drawing another box right over here. Maybe this one's a little bit longer. Now I'm going to go back down. And draw another line going down on this side. And when you're all done, we're just going to connect everything together. And there's our box, our bento box all drawn. Now we need to go in and add some food, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm going to start by drawing these cute soybeans. So let's go ahead and draw a curved bumpy line, and let's draw another bumpy line, and I'm going to draw another curved line, and do the same thing on the other side. Just draw 3 curved bumpy lines. When you're ready, let's add a soybean over here. I'm just drawing a oval shape, and let's add one more over here. Now we're going to go diagonal, and we're going to draw, and this one's going to be behind this soybean. We're going to draw a curved line, followed by another curved line, and another curved line. And I'm going to go on this side and kind of fill in the box. So I'm going to add a curved line here, an oval here, an oval here, and maybe one more soybean over here. So just a curved line and another curved line. You can add more if you want, but I think I'm going to stop here. Now let's move on to the next box. We are going to be adding some dumplings in here. A dumpling is steamed dough that has either vegetables in it or some kind of meat, like chicken or pork. So let's go ahead and draw a U shape and 3 little bumps. 1, 2, 3. Let's add one here. We're going to just draw a curved line and then one little bump. 2, 3. And I'm going to add one more over here. Let's do the same thing. We're going to draw a curved line and then add one bump, 2, 3. I hate when you're... Okay, now in this section it's just going to be soy sauce, so we're just going to draw a line mimicking the shape of the section here. Now let's move on to this next box. This is where we're going to add our sushi. A sushi roll is fish, different kinds of fish, rolled up with rice and seaweed, and then cut into pieces. So let's go ahead and draw a line right here, followed by another line. And then I'm just going to draw a curved line right over here. Now let's add an oval shape at the top. Now this sushi has rice on the outside, so if you want, you can draw little texture lines to make it look like rice. Okay, so I'm going to go inside and draw another oval line. And now my sushi, my fish pieces are going to go in here. So I would just start drawing little shapes. They can be any size. I'm just kind of adding some random shapes in there. And now I'm going to move over to this side and draw another sushi roll. So let's go ahead and draw a line coming down, draw a curved line here. Let's go back up and draw a straight line and a curved line. Now we're going to go and draw another curved line, making it an oval shape at the top. And same thing with this sushi, we're going to draw another oval inside And now we're going to draw some pieces of fish, so I'm just going in and adding different sections in there. If you want, you can add another piece over here, as many as you would like. I'm going to leave this and I'm going to move on to my next section. This is my favorite section. I love sashimi. We're going to have a salmon sashimi, which is raw salmon, and then we have raw tuna. So let's go ahead and draw a line right over here. It's a little bit diagonal, and followed by a curved line. And we want to do the same thing here, draw a curved line and another line. Now, this piece would actually be called a nigiri because it has rice with it. So let's draw some bumpy lines and make some rice right underneath the roll. And again, I'm going to go in and add some lines, some little curved lines to make it look like a rice. But I do want to add a face in here, so I'm going to add a cute little face, so let's leave some room in there. And I think I'm going to go in and draw 2 curved lines for the eyes. And then if you want to add some lashes, we can add some lashes, and just a simple smile using a curved line. Now let's move on to this side. We're going to draw a line right over here. And then let's draw a line going across this way and then back down. And then we're going to connect it to the other side. Now notice how this side is a little bit wider than this side, and that's okay. Now let's go in and use those bumpy lines to make rice. Curved line, curved line, curved line, go all the way up. When you're ready, because this is a salmon piece, salmon has these white little lines on it. So we're just going to draw some curved lines going all the way across. It's like having stripes on the fish. And when you're ready, let's go inside and draw a cute little face. I'm going to draw this shape for the eyes, and then 2 little circles for the cheeks, and then a line right over here followed by a curved line, and I'm going to fill it in. When you're ready, just go in and add some curved lines just to make it look like rice. Now, the reason I didn't add lines over here is because this sushi is going to be wrapped in seaweed, whereas this one is the one that's being wrapped with rice. So that's why I didn't add texture lines on there. And if you would like, anywhere on your bento box, you can add some ginger. So I'm just going in and I'm adding some random shapes. Just adding some ginger in there, and wasabi, which is generally eaten with sushi. And then a wasabi would just be a spicy green paste. Okay guys, oh, we almost forgot to add some cute faces to our dumplings. So I'm gonna add 2 dots for this face. And this one kind of looks sad maybe, or mad. And we're just gonna draw some lines for the eyebrows. Yeah, that one looks kind of mad. And then we're gonna add 2 eyes for this dumpling and a cute little smile. This one's pretty happy. And on this dumpling, let's add another face. And I'm just gonna add a smile here. Super cute. Let's add some texture lines on the dumpling. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Let's come back and see what the final looks like. Okay guys, here's what the final looks like. I had used my iPad to color this in, but you guys can use anything you have at home. I hope you guys enjoyed. We did not draw the chopsticks, but if you would like, you can include the chopsticks in your bento box or not. You can just leave it as it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with someone that you care about, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.